National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, western Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until midnight Central Standard Time at 11:13 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Belleville to near Lena, moving northeast at 85 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Janesville, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Mount Horeb, Windsor, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Marshall, Brodhead, and DeForest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.